Hello everyone, welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, I'm introducing to you the Holybro Pixhawk 6X. This product primarily consists of the flight controller module, mini baseboard, accompanying materials, and an M10 GPS. The Holybro Pixhawk 6X boasts a module that measures 38.8mm in width, 31.8mm in length, 14.6mm in height, and weighs a mere 23 grams. Its baseboard, on the other hand, has dimensions of 43.4mm in width, 72.8mm in length, 14.2mm in height, and weighs 26.5 grams. The Pixhawk 6X is equipped with a high-performance STM32H753 processor, through 100-pin and 50-pin Pixhawk Autopilot bus connectors. It boasts 3 IMU sensors and 2 barometers on independent buses, ensuring triple redundancy domains with fully isolated sensor domains featuring independent buses and power control. Its newly designed vibration isolation system filters out high-frequency vibrations, reducing noise and ensuring accurate readings. Additionally, it includes an Ethernet interface for high-speed mission computer integration. The IMU is temperature-controlled by an onboard heating resistor, ensuring optimal performance. On the left side of the module, there's a storage slot and card. The Pixhawk 6X module is compatible with various baseboards, including the mini baseboard, standard baseboard, Raspberry Pi CM4 baseboard, Pixhawk Jetson baseboard, and even your own customized baseboard. For this video, the accompanying baseboard is the mini baseboard. Below the module, you'll find interfaces such as Telum1 IO PWM out, Telum2, SPUS RC, and FMU PWM out. Above the module, there are CAN1, Power Port, I2C, ETH, GPS2, and GPS1 ports. Surrounding the module are indicator lights, with ETH, Link, SPD, PWR on the left, and IO, ACT, BE, PWR on the right. On the right side of the baseboard are the FMU debug port and USB port, while the left side features the DSM RC and IO debug ports. That concludes our introduction to the module and baseboard. Now, let's move on to the accompanying materials. First up are the mounts and GPS. These mounts are designed to securely hold the GPS, complete with screws and a GPS sticker. The GPS included in the box is the M10 model. Next, we have the wiring harness. It comprises 8 types of cables. 1 ppm cable with DuPont 2.54 3-pin and GH 1.255 pin connectors. 2 CAN and I2C cables, each with GH 1.254 pin connectors. 2 PWM outputs cables, each with GH 1.25 10-pin connectors. 2 Telum cables, each with GH 1.25 6-pin connectors. 1 ETH cable with GH 4-pin and RJ45 connectors. 1 power cable with Molex 2.06-pin connectors. 1 debug cable with SH 1.0 10-pin connectors. 1 USB cable. The wiring harness also includes 2 PWM boards, an I2C splitter, and a sticker. Additionally, there's a power module in the accompanying materials. That's all for this unboxing video. Stay tuned for more product updates by following us.